My name is James Anderson and I'm employed with High Priority Plumbing. At High Priority Plumbing, I am a helper hand. Being a helper, I learned on-the-hand training with Ryan Dixon. My goals with the company is to be able to be in his position one day where I have my own truck to service our customers here in Columbus as well. Since I've been here at High Priority Plumbing, I've learned that High Priority Plumbing does take care of their employees. Not only their employees, but their customers are their #1 priority. I would like to say thank you to High Priority for giving me the opportunity, and I will never let them down.